Teja. Welcome to the channel from Triple to Tech. I am currently pursuing BTech Electrical and Electrical Engineering and I am yet qualified. Along with my core Triple A background, I was trained in full stack development and worked with technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, etc. In this course, I will be introducing you to generative AI from absolutely basics in a way that's simple, practical, and beginner friendly. This course is expressly designed for AAA and non-tech CSE students, okay, who want to make move into a domains like AI, data science, software development, and cybersecurity. We will focus on understanding how generative AI works, learning key concepts like LLMs, prompts, and AI tools, and applying for them to real-world using use cases without unnecessary theory. Okay. My goal is to help you be- build a strong fundamentals, think logically, and confidently using AI projects. For the generative AI from projects and placements and future careers. Okay, let us begin today's AI generative AI for the future. World is changing, not fastly. It's changing rapidly, slowly changing rapidly. Okay, in everyone's day to life, you will see these applications. Whereas Google Maps, Netflix, PhonePe, Gemini, Photos, Google Photos. In each and everyone, we use AI. Whereas for the navigation purpose, for the histories or any help assistant purpose, you use the PhonePe and see that new updated movies. Okay, in Gemini, whatever you want ask, it will gives the reply. Okay, and the translator also. These are every application is built with AI. Okay, it every application we use AI. We seen also AI, so that the career impacts with AI. There are many impacts on career. Okay, AI and how to use the generative AI across the industries and LLMs. What are the LLMs and what are the popular LLM applications we use? And what are the platforms we require to use this generative AI tool? These are the platforms that ChatGPT, Gemini, like that. And how the prompt engineering works. Okay, prompt engineering fundamentals we will discuss. Advanced prompting techniques like one shot. What is meant by one shot? Few shot, chain of thoughts, like that. These are the tools that we use in the generative AI purpose. Okay, like ChatGPT, Gemini AI Studio, Gamma, Use Face, Hugging Face, like Lovable. These are the tools, some of the generative AI tools that we use in this course. Okay. Sorry. One second. And mastering AI automation using N8N. N8N is nothing but it is a platform that we use it to generate it in the AI. Whereas N8N is nothing but no code. Without writing any code, we use some prompts to generate this AI tools. Okay. N8N is nothing but a no code tool. The workflows automations build system that works while you are sleeping means nothing but while you are sleeping also the automation will be doing every work of each and every work of you. Okay, it automatically updates your status and also checks the LinkedIn profile and checks if any jobs are there. It automatically apply for that if you are eligible, like that. To build this, we use the tools like N18 is the most popular tools. Okay, and also we will discuss what are the virtual content creation with the open source models. We can master open source models from studio quality content. Okay, virtually and audio created. Okay, advancement master stable diffusion for creating high image qualities. How to create high image qualities and how to generate a video, voice, music. Okay, you can create a high AI videos which are viral in YouTube's like that. You can develop your own fine tune models. Okay, and the tools to use for the virtual content creation is nothing but stable diffusions, nano banana in Gemini. Okay, these are the some tools that we use to generate new videos. Okay, and also it can build a application develop a complete solution that can real world problem. You can solve real world problem. You can observe the real world problem in the society, and you can build an application using this AI tool. Okay, these are the some tools that we use for to build the AI application. Whereas lovable reptile vivo. Okay, this is the powered by application powered AI powered applications. Learn to build applications with AI powered like features like example like chatbot. It is used to communication like ChatGPT. Okay, you can generate image generation. You can build your own application and mastering AI agent. You can build an AI agent by your own. Means nothing but it helps a person like a ChatGPT example. It is a AI agent. AI agent is nothing but, for example, guidance for career guidance. Agent architecture fundamentals and what are the modules we will discuss. Tools and memory. Okay, how to build the autonomous systems that perform a complex task. Complex task means resume selling ATS systems like you can use in for the resume creation. Okay, multiple tasks, and also we integrated tools like using a MCP tools. Okay, understanding model. MCP is nothing but model context protocol. It is a protocol. Okay, there is a huge profile. Okay, proto profile can be built using this AI. Your proto profile should be all in the AI tools only. Okay, why? Because future is AI, so that you should build your resume like it only without AI tools only. Okay, and inside also with AI tools only should be present. And building a multi-agent system. So multi-agent using the QA. Okay, it creates the specialized agents for the LinkedIn jobs. For job searching in the LinkedIn, it will post the AI tools. Okay, it can apply and also it can reply to the mails like that. With the tools that we use for to build these applications are N8 build. It can build an agent. Later classes we will discuss that we can build a future projects like build real world applications, a application that showcase your skills. Okay, you can build your own applications after this course completion of this course. Some of the examples are AI powered social media content generator, whereas it built automatical systems create and encourage content schedule posts. Okay, you can schedule for any time across the multiple platforms using you can generate AI text images and videos. Okay, it also proud way you can create a personal assistant like for example resume creator or mostly resume creator or job searching or for a education purpose like that. Any route. Okay, see that. These are some application we will build after learning these AI courses, automation courses. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe for more content. This is the first introduction class. Okay, later we will discuss this recruitment. I will discuss every point that I had discussed in this. You know what we should know everyone that what is generative AI and everyone should update to the future. Everyone should learn about the AI tools. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.